coin treasury. Today, we are going to explore some rare and valuable 2 rupee notes issued by the Reserve Bank of India between 1949 and 1957, signed by B. Rama Rao, the then Governor of the RBI. B. Rama Rao was the 4th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, serving from 1949 to 1957. During his tenure, the RBI issued several series of banknotes, including the 2 rupee notes we'll be discussing today. These 2 rupee notes, signed by B. Rama Rao, are highly sought after by collectors and numismatists. The notes were issued between 1947 and 1957 and feature a unique signature and serial number pattern. In this reason 2 rupee notes are rare and valuable. Let's take a look at some of the rarest and most valuable 2 rupees notes. First issue note. The 2 rupees banknotes with incorrect Hindi, P27, were first issued 1949 with the signature of B. Rama Rao, 4th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. These notes with the 2 rupee symbol in Hindi on the top right of the obverse and top left of the reverse are considered very rare. The 2 rupees banknotes called the Gujarati note. Value of this note 35,000. Second issue note. The note featured above is with corrected Hindi, P29A, 1949 second issued with the signature of the B. Rama Rao. The 2 rupees banknotes called the corrected Hindi Gujarati note value 8500. Third issue note. The 2 rupees banknotes with incorrect Hindi, P28, were 3rd issue 1951 signed by B. Rama Rao with 2 in English are more common. The 2 rupees banknotes called the Tiger note English is common. Value of this note 5500. First issue bundle value is 3,50,000. Second issue bundle value is 85,000. Third issue bundle value is 55,000. So, what makes these notes so valuable? It's a combination of factors, including rarity, condition, and demand. Tips. If you are interested in collecting 2 rupee notes, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Always research and authenticate your notes, and don't be afraid to negotiate prices. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on rare and valuable coins and notes.